Finn makes friends. Finn looked sad. "What's going on, Finn?" asked his brother Leo. "You look sad." "Today at school, a boy said, 'I don't like you. I don't know how to make good friends.'" "That sounds hard. How can I help?" Finn thought for a second. "Maybe we can ask Wiseminder." "Wiseminder," called Finn and Leo in unison. The owl flew down from the tree where he liked to perch next to Leo's room. "Hi, Leo. Hi, Finn. How can I help?" "Finn needs help making good friends," said Leo. "Ah, making good friends and being a good friend can take some practice. We can go to our Social Skills Forest Academy. Come with me." Wiseminder sprinkled a swirl of magic owl dust over Leo and Finn, and they began to shrink, smaller and smaller. Leo and Finn hopped onto the owl's back. Together they flew to a magical forest where each tree had a special treehouse. Treehouse 1, personal space. Inside the first treehouse stood 2 little owls. "These are Tico and Gaia. They'll help us learn friend-making skills. First, we'll talk about personal space." Gaia began talking to Tico, standing very close. "What is Gaia doing wrong?" asked Wiseminder. "She's too close," said Leo. "That's right. Standing too close can make people feel uncomfortable." Gaia moved far away and kept talking. "How about now?" "She's too far," said Finn. "Tico won't hear her." Gaia moved closer, but looked away. "Now she's in the right place, but she's not looking at Tico," said Leo. "Where should Gaia look if she wants Tico to listen?" "She should look him in the eyes," said Leo. "That's right." Gaia turned around and looked at Tico's eyes, standing at wing's length, not too close, not too far. "That looks good," said Finn. "That does look good. Well done, Gaia." Next, Finn and Leo saw Tico playing with a car on his own. Gaia was staring at him, looking intensely. "Stop looking at me," said Tico. "I don't like that." "Why doesn't Tico like that?" asked Finn. "Looking at people for too long when we're not talking to them can make them feel uncomfortable," said the owl. "Oh," said Finn. He didn't know that. "So where should I look?" asked Finn. "Maybe you can look at a toy or a book side by side," said Leo. Gaia grabbed a car and played by Tico's side. "They both look happy now," said Finn. "They do," said Wiseminder. "Let's go to our next treehouse." Treehouse 2, playing together. Tico was playing with tiles on his own. "How can Gaia join his game?" asked Finn. "Great question," said Wiseminder. "Maybe she can ask, 'Can I play?'" said Leo, "and add something to the game, like extra tiles to help." "Good idea," said Wiseminder. Gaia gave it a shot. "What kind of tower is it?" asked Gaia. "It's a skyscraper," said Tico. "Can I play? Here's some more tiles so we can make it even bigger." "Okay, thanks," said Tico. "What did Gaia do well?" asked Wiseminder. "She asked to play and added to the game, giving him tiles," said Leo. "Exactly, that's friendly play." "What's not friendly play?" asked Finn. "Let's find out," said Wiseminder. "Come with me." In the middle of the treehouse stood a mirror. "This is the behavior mirror," said Wiseminder. "It shows how our actions make others feel." The mirror shimmered. Inside the mirror, they saw Gaia grabbing a tile from Tico. He looked upset. "Was that friendly?" "No," said Finn. "She didn't ask first." "Right. Being friendly adds to a game and makes others feel safe and included. Being unfriendly is taking something without asking, throwing, hitting, spitting, teasing, name-calling." "What if Gaia wants to play something different?" asked Leo. "Let's find out." They flew into the next treehouse. Treehouse 3, Compromising. Tico, do you want to play restaurant with me? Asked Gaia. Okay, I'll be the chef, said Tico. No, I want to be the chef, said Gaia. What can Gaia do now? Asked Wiseminder. Maybe she can compromise, said Leo. How? She can say, you be the chef first, then I'll be the chef. They can take turns. That's a great way to compromise, said Wiseminder. What else could they do? Maybe they can both be chefs. They can feed a stuffy together. Pretend the stuffy is another friend, said Finn. Yes, coming up with another solution is called thinking outside the box. And that's another way to be a good friend, said Leo. Finn nodded. I want to be a good friend. And now you have more tools to be one, said Wiseminder. Give personal space, be kind, add to play, find ways to compromise. That's how friendships grow. Leo and Finn hugged the owl. Thanks, Wiseminder. You're welcome. With a flutter of feathers and a swirl of owl dust, they flew home. The next day at school. The next day, Finn saw Leah and Matt playing house at school. I'll be the daddy, said Matt. Okay, I'll be the mommy, said Leah. Finn wanted to play too. Personal space, remembered Finn. He stood at arm's length from Leah, looked her in the eye, and asked, Can I play? Yes, said Leah. You can be the baby. Finn did not want to be the baby. I want to be the daddy. No, I'm the daddy, said Matt. Compromise or think outside the box, remembered Finn. Maybe I can be the uncle. Okay, said Leah and Matt. Add to the play, remembered Finn. He grabbed a baby toy and brought it to Matt. Maybe this can be the baby. Leah found a bottle. She gave it to Finn. Here, Uncle Finn, can you feed the baby? Yes, I can, said Finn. Yes, I can feed the baby, and yes, I can make good friends. And be a good friend, thought Finn, feeling proud of himself.